you're saying, but mostly it's pretty good.
Thank you so much. I never been to this state, so it's my first experience, you can say, first visit, you can say.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I'm trying my best to catch everything which I can do
Yeah.
along with my working.
Yeah. And will you be there for long?
uh, my work it's almost gonna done. Okay, in a
How
month.
soon? A
Yes.
month. Okay.
Uh, so
Okay.
after finishing, then we'll change. Maybe we'll change the state, or maybe
Yep.
we'll change the location in this state.
Okay. Nice.
It
So
depends
you'll
on.
continue to do the similar projects.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. This
Nice. So
and
you
what
are an
about
engineer.
you?
That is your job. Sorry. Sorry.
Say again, say again. You said something.
I said you are an engineer. That is your, like, is that your career?
No, 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 no. But
Okay.
currently you
But
can say.
currently you are.
Yes, so I'm enjoying, and it really helps when you gain some new knowledge.
Yeah.
It may help you. I mean, it helps you. Obviously, it helps you, but it may also help others in
Yeah.
case.
Yeah.
That's
Absolutely.
why. Are you busy now? I only see your face.
No, I'm just rubbing my feet because I'm cold.
Oh,
Yeah.
cold?
Yeah, freezing.
Why, why, why? What's
Because
the
of where I
temperature?
live. It's cold here.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I thought it's hot there.
No, not in Peru. No, I mean, so I'm in Cusco in Peru, and it's in the Andes, which is high in the mountain.
Ah, that's why. So you
Yeah.
mean because of the altitude of the
Yeah.
location, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
Hmm.
It's also winter here.
I
Yeah.
got it. I got it.
So we're in the southern hemisphere, and my feet are frozen. And even though I have very thick, warm wool socks on, my feet are still frozen. So I'm moving my toes around, hoping they'll warm up.
So,
Yeah.
do you not use room heater?
I don't have a heater, no.
Wanna buy new one? Or how will
Uh,
you manage?
no, I'm okay. The reason is, well, if it's electric, it's very expensive. Electricity here
Oh,
is yeah, a lot. And the gas, well, I could buy a gas heater, but right now I don't have the money for it.
you just want to manage.
Yeah, I can manage it. Yeah.
I understood. Uh, I think you are trying to become more stronger.
I have always been like this. I like cold. I like it cold mostly. It's just yeah, that's why I can be okay managing my own heat.
But the fact is, cold likes you or not.
Cold
Uh-huh.
likes me or not? I don't understand.
You like cold, but
Uh-huh.
coldness supports you or not to survive.
Maybe.
I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm kidding.
I know.
Mm-hmm. It's cool. It's
Um,
cool.
but I've lived in hot places too before. I
You
think
told
hmm?
you told that were you in the US?
No, I'm not from the US. I've never been to
No,
the
no, no.
US.
I mean, were you before in the US?
I Before Peru, you mean?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Right now
I
you're in
mean,
Australia.
no, right now I'm in Peru.
Okay, okay. I got it, got it. Now I got it.
Yeah, but I'm from Australia.
Oh, now it's
Yeah.
clear. I thought you're in Australia and it's cold there. How?
It is cold there now, actually, in
Huh?
Melbourne.
Okay.
Yeah, in my city, it is.
So
It's in
is
it's the same.
okay. So is this the month of cold there? Cold season. It's like winter.
Are we talking about Melbourne or Peru?
Melbourne.
Yes, it's cold now. It gets
Hmm.
colder until August. I would say August is the coldest month.
And we have it's like winter starts from the month of November.
Yeah, exactly. It's the opposite because you're in the northern hemisphere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fine. So we
Yeah.
have 10 seconds, as I can see, Stephanie.
Yeah, but it was lovely to meet you,
I
Anush.
want to ask you that what do you think of my fluency?
Yep, good. I think there was a few things where I wasn't sure what you're saying, but mostly it's pretty good.
Thank you so much. It's a positive feedback for me to work on my English. Hope to see
Yeah.
you soon, Stephanie.
Yeah,
Take
you
care.
too. You too. Take
Bye bye.
care.